Okay, hi. Okay, so let's see. Today I'm going to show you my one of the machines Hacksudo Search box, and I supposed to like show you somebody. His name is Akshay Trimukhe. He created a write up on my box. Okay, so he said like, "Hello, today I'm going to solve another vulnerable machines called Hacksudo Search. It is easy box. Actually, it is easy box. Okay." So when you try on the Hacksudo search box, the box is nothing but a simulation where I used to upload some vulnerabilities, and if you try to hack this vulnerable box, you can learn a lot of hacking skill. Okay, let me show you which kind of skill you can get by using this vulnerable box. Okay, so if you want to download the file, you can click over here. Okay, correct. Can you please check the voice? Is it audible or not? Okay. So the Vuln Hub is a platform where you can upload your vulnerable machines. If you able to create a vulnerable machines, you can create a machines and upload here. Nowadays it is I guess not working or not you cannot able to upload your box on the One Hub due to some reason that I don't know. Okay, so the credit for the box goes to Vishal Awagmare. He's a me. And, let's check it out. So the attacks the attackers any machines first find it IP address the command. So basically you need to find the IP address of your victim machines as like you done metasploitable 2 machines. Okay, you hosted your metasploitable 2 machine on the virtual box and you found the IP address. Okay, so after that you done the exploitations on DSFTPD and all. Right. Getting similar way you have to download the machines in your virtual. You can upload your machines on the virtual box, and after getting the IP address, try to do n mapping. The person actually used to auto recon file, or we can call it automatic n mapping. Okay, so this is used to do n mapping, and he found there is number of port numbers. Okay, number of port number like 22 port number, 80 port number, and I guess these are the 2 port number he found over there. So because of, as you see that there are only 2 open port, which is HTTP and SSH, correct? So Rohan, tell me what is a possibility if there is a HTTP port or SSH port.
SH for HTTP 80 is used for website, and SSH control is used for the SSH access. We can take the SSH access
Okay,
from our machine.
correct. But at least you need a user and password for to access SSH server, right?
Yes.
So that's we don't have. Now the possibility is what you can try to do brute force attacks on SSH, but at least you should know the user. Okay, otherwise you need to create a user list and randomly you need to guess the user and password. Okay, so it's a quite hard to find the SSH. So let's see the HTTP services are running on the server. That's why I'm going to show you some further explanation. So once you open the website now on the browser, it look like this: Hacksudo Search, a pretty useless search engine. Okay, so this person is open the page on their and there you can see the hello. You can search anything over there. Okay, I just created a file on the website and post over there. So it gives us a page with the title Hacksudo Search. There is a search engine. Okay, but it is not the important to us. I look into the source code of the page, but go not like he didn't getting the success or not luck. He didn't getting the luck because of I didn't put any vulnerability on the page. Okay, so where should the vulnerability maybe? Maybe on another page. That page you have to find how there are tools His name is Nikto, GoBuster, Durbuster. So if you use these tools, okay, you can find a files which is available on the website. So GoBuster means what? GoBuster is a tool which is used to find the files. If the file website is facebook.com, okay, you can open the facebook.com only. But might be there are files like login page, okay, home page, and another page. So how to find this page? The GoBuster tool used to find the another files. Okay, so I would like to teach you these tools later, not now. And Akshay used to like Nikto tool, and he find the files from here. Okay, he found the file name is account and so many vulnerabilities. Okay, okay.
Right.
Even even Nikto results tell us that there is one of interesting file name is /env. Okay, which file?
Yeah.
/env. I put a file on the website by hiding it. Dot means what? To hide the file. So I already hide the file, but accidentally what happened? Need to find the .env file also. Okay, and due to its vulnerabilities, might be there is a vulnerability. Here you can see .env file is found. Okay, and once you open the file, content will look like this, like API key, blah blah blah, and there is a port number 3306, and database name is Hiraman something. The file name is username is Hiraman. The password is my dad superhero something. Okay, so it's a complicated hacker world, but you can read the my dad is superhero. So this might be the password and the username is Hiraman. So why not try this user and password for SSH connection?
Right.
You can now. Okay, and the API key variable contains some base 64 encode text also. So I copy and decode this. Okay, the once he decode, he found. Now look at here, Rohan. There is another key base 64. This key. This one is also hint. So if you decode this key, to learn a city of contact us on this is just message, like the honeypot. Okay, I put some unwanted thing encrypt. Okay, where let's see, we found the text like this. Okay, the IP address of the machines in the HTTP file queue it's the name of hacksudo.com command. So it doesn't matter that you can put so what this means, like it is a host, it means you can assign the IP address with the domain name. Okay, so if you want to open facebook.com, okay, you can open it by using the IP address as well as a domain name. Similarly, you can add the details IP and host name in your etc host file. If I add the IP address of this machine with the domain name whatever you want to put, okay, then when you open the hacksudo.com website, directly this website will be open because I attached the host name and IP address of this particular server in my host file.
Mm.
If I attach IP address with vishal.com, then if I open the vishal.com on browser, this server will be open because why? The server IP address is attached to my
Domain name.
domain which I add here. Okay, it doesn't matter. It's okay if you not add this. It doesn't matter. Just open the website using the IP only. It's okay. I used to go Buster. He used to go Buster. Now look at here to scan the directories or files. Now go Buster use for to find sensitive file on website. Okay, so which directory he used? This directory, the file.txt, and he wanted to find the .php file or HTML file on the website. Okay, and what he got? He got like search.php, index.php, submit.php, asset, account, search1.php, and crawler.php, like these files, which may be the sensitive, right? So what you learn from here? You learn that a mapping used to do to find the services where is SSH and HTTP services are available. Okay, on HTTP services there are a page where nothing any vulnerability. Okay, but using the Nikto tool and GoBuster tool, you find some sensitive information. So remember that if you want to find anything or the website, you can use Nikto and GoBuster. These are the enumeration tool. Remember, if you want to enumerate or to collect the information, you can use Nikto and GoBuster. Nikto and GoBuster are like used for to find the HTTP services wala bug. So here he found the files. Okay, I look into the every directory, but only search one PHP was interesting. He checked each and every file on the website, but there was nothing any interesting thing. But search one file having some interesting thing. Okay, the file is look like the same. Okay. So here you can see home, about, and contacts data. Okay, okay. So as you can see here, we have three sections: home, about, and
Contact.
so if I click on the about page will be open. Contact page will be open. Home page also open. So I click on the contact session as the early hint was mentioned as the contacts page. So actually I just put some hint at here. Okay. When he decrypt the file. Okay. So I put here Hacksudo help you to learn sit here. Contact us. What I put here? Contact us on hacksudo.com/contacts. So that I put the hint because sometimes CTF player or developer might be use this kind of thing. Use the the manner of finding the further flags. So I suppose that somebody, a talented person who can like mention or who can write the notes that there is a hint. So contact us. You can open this page. So again he tried to add host file and then Nikto, he did the Nikto and find the search for file, and here you can see the contact page. Okay, when you click on the contact page, then finding the source code of file, you know how to find the source code. How?
By right clicking.
Correct, source code, and there I put some information in comments. It look like a green. It's not a part of coding. Okay, so you can put the comments inside the coding. So I type here, find me at the redhacksudo.com/contact and fuzzing always paste option. So just a hint. Okay, so how can I recognize that there is a hint to do further thing? How can I have? So again, the hint tell us to fuzzing. So what is fuzzing? Fuzzing is what? I don't know what may be the file. So I will use fuzzing tool. GoBuster also fuzzing tool. FFU chat again. Third one is a tool which you don't even you don't know. You don't have the idea about FFU yet. Or do you have idea? No. GoBuster
Now
slightly idea only, है ना? Or Durbuster, GoBuster, WFuzz are the fuzzing tool. Okay, we will take this later. Okay, so it shows that use fuzzing tool. So I use which tool? WFuzz to fuzz and find the PHP, the parameter. Okay, so now when you open the contact page, the URL will look like hacksudo.com/search1.php question mark first equal to control.php. That URL will look like this, है ना? Okay, now again I put some hint here, question mark first. Okay, you have to find this first. So this is a difficult thing. If you know the like city of how to solve the city of, then you have the idea that this is the hint. That parameter used to LFI vulnerability. Which vulnerability? Can buy me even. Okay. So LFA vulnerability means what? This is the vulnerability which is used to find or to input some parameter of the website. You can inject any file inside the server. The LFA vulnerability, if you found the LFA vulnerability on the any website or the server, you can like like upload any codes or you can execute any code on the web server. Basically, OS command injection. Okay, for example, OS command injection, you found there is a tab where you can input your IP address by applying the pipe command. You type another command and you will get a reverse shell. Similar manner in LFA vulnerability, if the URL have equal to something file.php, it means you can you can trigger any file like contact.php or the about.php from this parameter. From this parameter. So I would like to trigger passwd file or shadow file from here. So I can try to do find the shadows. If I can, then this is a variable which is local file, local LFI, local file inclusion vulnerability. You can read the local file using or replacing the contact.php. Okay, ते आपण नंतर so Akshay found there is a local he used the wfirst command and they successfully found the file and he then exploit it. Okay, exploit it using the he tried to do hydra given user and password. Actually, the user I already given is Hiraman was the user name in the and the hint is here in a static passwd file. So passwd file contain number of user which is registered on session. Okay, correct. How do you know that existing user? If you know the passwd file, read the passwd file, you can recognize which user is valid or exists on the website or whatever the server. So using the LFI vulnerability, he can successfully read the passwd file. He read each and every user inside the file, and he found Hiraman user was not here. Okay, so there are the 3 to 4 users. He just picked these 3 to 4 users, creating the file, right? And attack and apply the user name list by adding the 3 to 4 users in the username.txt file. Okay, but he already know the password was my dad superhero. Your password is mentioned in which file? Environment. Correct. So I just let me try to guess the user for this password because Hiraman is not user. Correct. Now when he tried SSH attacks using the Hedra, he successfully found the user, Hacksudo, and the password. Now do SSH. Do SSH. Okay. Once he taken the simple. Now do the privilege escalation. The privilege escalation show me that there is a SUID privilege escalation. Okay, so there are a little bit twist thing. Okay, okay, so like a search install.sc file actually there on a search tool. When you cat the file, you can see this file is contain something install. Actually, install is the command. So if you run the search install file, you can run install command. Install command is for to install anything. So I already put some vulnerability into install command, and this is a raw code. Actually, I created a raw code and compiling the C coding. No. So these are the C coding code. Okay, raw format code. I just need to add some code, right? And once I edit the code, I can compile this file and I can do the execution. So once I execute the file, it will be run command. That command will use to run install file. Okay. So I already done this and assigned the SUID permission for search install command. Okay. So there is install command. I guess. There is install command. When install file, you getting the root access directly. It was a simple and easy machine. Easy machine. So let me show you best step by step. The machine you will get IP address of machines. Just do the enumeration step. Enumeration step used to find the sensitive file over the website. Like doing the go buster. Okay. Fuzzing tool is for to find a particular file. The fuzzing tool is not easy to learn like this. So GoBuster, Durbuster, or whatever we use, Nikto, that was the enumeration tool which find sensitive file. Correct? So using this sensitive file, there are hint but not useful. And then when you try to do fuzzing, there are the LFI vulnerability. To do the exploitation on the LFI vulnerability, you find the passwd file, grab the users, try to do brute force attack. ओके हेही ना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड आहे तुला ना सगळ्या गोष्टी माहिती पाहिजे मग that vulnerability how can you use this vulnerability with the hydra attack or once I getting the user and password of where I can use this user and password try on the SSH okay if not SSH then where can I use this find the login patch okay ठीक आहे मग ते आपण ते कनेक्ट करावं लागतं मग हळूहळू ते रूट करत जायचं आहे सो हा जो ट्री आहे हा सगळ्या कॉम्प्लिकेटेड गोष्टी हे तुला ना समजून घ्यावा लागते अंडरस्टूड थोडी आयडिया आली let me tell what you understood सांग थोडंसं मला एक आयडिया सांग
See, whenever we get an IP, we have to we have to go to from each and every parameters like source code. If it is a website, okay, we have to search for the input or the uploading. If we can do a thing, we can upload files like PHP or exe files. We can upload and execute it. We have to find whether there is any shell is there on source code. If we can do we can read the source and we can get the things from this source code, or we can search for the command execution. If it is there, we can execute any command from website. Okay, we can search out for the files which are there stored at the website part. Okay, and we can try to exploit it by the different parameters.
super simple is there any trouble or anything else okay thank you for joining with us so here idea